All right, time to bring Chief Meteorologist Nic Merianos back in with us now. And if you're going to be walking the dog early in the morning, it'll be chilly.
It's going to be one of those mornings where it's kind of surprisingly cold when you step
Okay.
outside. Yeah, because we're going to be starting off upper 20s, low 30s.
We call that freezing, right?
We call that it's literally freezing outside. Yeah. And we have some frost in place too, so you might see like that little white coating of ice on the grass and some of those surfaces at that. But overall, you can see the fog also going to be a story as well. And the more fog we see and the colder we get tonight, the more frost that will be the case in the valley. So we're starting to see that fog bank that was further down to the south near Stockton, Modesto, is starting to develop further north now, and this is what we expect to continue to be the case as we go into the overnight hours. But not only is the fog going to expand overnight, it's also going to thicken, which means the visibility will go down through the rest of this evening. So Stockton and Modesto reporting about 1.5 mile visibility at this hour. However, we do expect the visibility to be going down to less than 1/4 mile early into the morning. So there is a dense fog advisory in place for much of the San Joaquin valleys. Otherwise, as you go to the north, there'll still be fog in areas like Sacramento and Yuba City. It just won't be as dense. But the fog will linger through a good chunk of the morning before giving way to some of that sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours. So just plan accordingly first thing in the morning. Once that sun comes out tomorrow, those temperatures will start to increase, and we will have a nice recovery with the temperatures tomorrow. We're on the way down now. We're into the mid-30s across much of the valley, though. And notice the foothills running warmer. Jackson at 44, Placerville about 45 degrees. We're into the 20s and 30s in the Sierra. But you can see tonight we're down to the low 30s across the valley, really right around that freezing point. But by the afternoon, we recover back into the 50s for high temperatures. Foothills will see high temperatures ranging from the 40s and 50s, and same in the Sierra with highs into the 40s with plenty of afternoon sunshine. So the overall pattern giving us plenty of clear skies in place, but we do have some active weather back to the west, and that's going to try to make its way closer toward the coastal areas as we get toward Tuesday. So we may have a slight rain chance coming our way on Tuesday. Not too optimistic about it because the overall pattern is not that favorable to see much precipitation coming our way. However, quiet this weekend, so if you have anybody with weekend plans, no problems weather-wise. But by Monday night to Tuesday, those clouds will be on the increase, and then a few spot showers for the higher elevations. But as I mentioned, this pattern going into next week, not as favorable for storms and for rain because high pressure is going to be building in. And that will lead to a warming trend for our area by the end of next week. However, the cold air will be out east. So anybody traveling to the East Coast, going for the holiday plans, can expect cold weather, and this pattern will likely develop a bigger storm too across the East Coast, and that will cause travel delays by about the Thursday timeframe. So we will be watching that because a lot of folks do head east for the holidays. All right, forecast over the next week. Here it is. Temperatures not changing much day to day as we go between now and Monday. Highs near 50 degrees, but as we get toward Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you can see that warming trend begins to take shape, and that's when we will see temperatures approaching 60 degrees. Marley?
All right. Thank you, Nick.